Hi, my name is Luzwick. I'm a junior music theater major with a minor in theater directing, and these are my 5 favorite things about Carthage College. My first favorite thing about Carthage is the campus involvement. There's a lot you can be involved in here at Carthage. There's clubs, sports activities for all different kinds of people. And when you join those groups, you can really connect to the people that you feel most at home with. At Carthage, I've been a part of the musicals, choir, band, the cheer team, student government, and a bunch more things. My second favorite thing about Carthage is the on-campus job opportunities. My jobs here on campus have not only helped me expand my interests, but they've also given me valuable experience in a professional work setting. I love that here at Carthage you can explore all your interests, not just what you're doing for your major. My third favorite thing about Carthage is the professors and faculty. Here at Carthage, we have a lot of esteemed faculty that both have years of experience, but also still work in their field. As a theater major, I know that I can go to any one of my faculty members, ask them a question about the theater world today, and they know the answer to it. I trust my faculty and know that they understand how to push me and set me up for a career outside of Carthage. My fourth favorite thing about Carthage is the performance opportunities. I was worried as an incoming freshman that I wouldn't be able to perform until my junior or senior year. But as an outgoing senior of high school, I was able to audition for the upcoming season here at Carthage and landed my first collegiate role. These are opportunities that I know I would never have had unless I came to Carthage College. My fifth favorite thing about Carthage is the career resources we have here on campus. Not only do we have faculty here who will help you find summer jobs or summer internships and set you up with the resources you need in order to land those jobs, but we also have an award-winning Aspire Center. This career center helps you search for jobs, search for internships, and helps you set up your resume and your cover letter in order to land those jobs.